Kĩgomano gĩkĩ na kĩrĩa gĩtabanĩirio kaunti-inĩ ya Murang'a kĩrehete hamwe rũhonge rwa gũthũrima wagĩrĩru wa njohi, kambuni ya ũthondeki wa njohi EABL na maabitha honge cia ũgitĩri kuma kaunti ya Murang'a na Kirinyaga.
We bring to a stop the counterfeit product in the market. We are entering in the season and we are cognizant that many people will want to use different drinks, and without working with the EBL, we may not win the fight against the counterfeit products.
Ũũ nĩ kumana na kuongerereka kwa wendia wa njohi itakinyanĩirie ikĩro iria citigaga mĩtũrĩre ya Kenya hatĩka-inĩ. Kũringana na kamanda wa borithi gĩtarũ-inĩ gĩa Central Samuel Danyi, kĩgomano gĩkĩ nĩ gĩgũteithia maabitha borithi gũkũrana njohi iria itakinyanĩirie ikĩro makĩria ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ rĩa mambura ma thigũkũ ya Christmas na mwaka mwerũ.
And as I said before, overall just to protect the consumer so that we make sure that the consumer get the right product. You consume what is actually should be consumed and not what is counterfeit. So we'll be working with them throughout the season.
Ona kũrĩ ũguo mũingĩ onaguo nĩ ũrĩtio kũnyuaga njohi na ũigĩrĩrĩki na gwĩtĩkĩra kũrutithania wĩra na maabitha borithi a wathani wa matũra nĩguo mahũrane na endia na arugi a njohi ĩno njĩkĩrĩre mũkana.
The study we did in 2023, which was a Euromonitor study that was done in partnership with government agencies like KRA, KEBS, Anti-Counterfeit Authority, we didn't only measure how much illicit is in terms of volume. We also measured how much we are losing. So in terms of value, the value of illicit is around 67 billion Kenya shillings. In terms of government losing in terms of revenue, we estimate around 71 billion.
The retail price of a drink, which is made up of the inputs, a profit margin for the manufacturer, plus tax. So if an illegal player is not paying tax, that portion of tax becomes part of his profit. And so the higher the tax rate, the more the incentive is for the illegal practitioners to continue. And that is a battle we are having. We are telling the government, if they can levy a reasonable tax, then they will collect actually more tax than they are now.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Murang'a, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Victor Kĩnuthia.